like, not happening.
He's like, what are you doing?
Are you gonna do it again?
Yes, I used to do that.
Okay, do it.
That's when we could swing our
Look at Mo. Mo's like, what the heck? Wait, do it again, do it again. Try one more time. One more time. Come on. Third time's a charm.
Come on. Oh, God.
Oh my God. My poor horse. Look at him. He's tweaking out.
How much money would you guys give me if I could get on Romeo?
Make it 100, get 100 and a quarter, 100 quarter, 150, 150, 150.
Oh God. Oh God. My horse.
175, 175, 200, 200, 200, 200 more, 200 more, 275 on Romeo. No, they're not.
Fail.
And he shits his pants.
My poor horse is scarred for life.
How much money will you guys give me if I can get on Romeo?
Buck and a half.
$1.50?
Yep.
Out of him or you?
You can't use the knee either.
I'm 20 years old.
Hey, better.
Okay,
That dude,
what about whistle?
225.
No, whistle don't.
Here.
I'll get on whistle. That's easy.
Here.